Hello guys, hope you are safe at home. Today we are going to discuss about a question which is related to motion in a plane. So let's get started. Welcome back to Fair and Pine, our YouTube channel. Please don't forget to like and subscribe the video. So the question reads this way. A man standing on a road has to hold his umbrella at 30 degrees with the vertical to keep the rain away. He throws the umbrella and starts running at 10 km per hour. He finds that raindrops are hitting his head vertically. Find the speed of raindrops relative to A. ground and B. the man. Okay? So you see this way is the direction of velocity of rain with respect to ground, and this direction is the direction of velocity of the man. So it is clear that this will be the direction of velocity of rain with respect to man. This we can call as VRG. This we will call as VMG, and this we would call as VRM. Fine. So they have given this angle to be 30 degrees. Okay, fine. Let's go to the next page. So let's proceed with the solution. So in the first case, we would get it like, in the first case, we need to find the velocity of rain with respect to the ground. So VRG into sin 30 equal to VRM. I'm sorry, it's not VRM. It is VMG. So we would get VRG equals to the value of VMG is given to be 10 km per hour. So 10 divided by 1 by 2, which is equal to 20 km per hour. So we found the answer for A. Let's get to the next. Now we need to find the value for B. Okay. So V so in this case we would get it to be VRG into cos 30 degrees equal to VRM. Okay, if we take the components vertically. So in this way we have already found VRG, which is 20. So 20 into cos 30 degree is root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 equal to VRM. This is what we have to find, right? In the B. So the final answer is 10 root 3. Okay. So we would get the answer to be 20 kilometer per hour, and the B answer is 10 root 3 kilometer per hour. This is it. So hope you enjoy the video. Please like and subscribe our channel for Fine, and don't miss to press the bell icon, okay, so that you will get our updates as soon as possible. Goodbye.